Okay, I can't get both of you.
So at this point, I stopped and I closed the distance for following from 25 feet to 15 feet. You can't see that, of course, because I've got my back to you, but that's what I'm doing right now. I'm telling it to stay 15 feet behind me instead of 25 feet. And it's set for 4 meters, 12 feet. Of course, the ground changes, and it does this based on barometric pressure, so the actual feet above the ground will change with the terrain, but it will stay at that altitude technically. So here we go, walking my drone. What's actually going on here is there's a smartphone mounted to the RC transmitter, and the GPS in the smartphone is sending its location to the autopilot in the hexacopter, and the GPS on the autopilot in the hexacopter is attempting to keep the GPS in the copter 15 feet behind the GPS in the smartphone, whose location is being transmitted to the copter via telemetry radios, and stay approximately 12 feet above the ground. Again, this is done by barometric pressure, so technically it's much higher. It's 20 feet off the ground at that point. And when I come back up the hill here, drone will stay at the same altitude. The ground, of course, will come up. So that's basically what's going on here. Let's see if I can run a little bit and see what it does. Well, this is totally autonomous flight, and a little more than autonomous because it is making calculations to keep the two GPSs the distance apart, and also keep the camera oriented towards me. I'll just stop and see what it does. It goes right away. And you can see it slowly turning to face me as it figures things out. Off we go again. Now I'm going to pull a real nasty trick on it. I'm going to go 180 underneath it, and look at it. And it slowly rotates 180 and points back at me and starts falling. So there you have it. First documented successful test of Follow Me. It's technically my fourth Follow Me test, but I guess if you don't document them, you can't count them, can you? Have a good one.
Should I quit?